In this lecture, I will teach you how to sort a data. So sorting a data, by sorting, if you want to sort a data, you can go from home menu, and then here is the sort and filter option. So you can also sort data from data option. So here is another way of sorting data. So I'm using the home button first. So you can go from both places, from data or from home menu. So here I am selecting this data, or you can select it Control A or Command A. So here how you want to sort your data, like sort smallest to largest or sort largest to largest, or custom sort. You can sort custom way, whatever you want, by column, rows. So I'm sorting out from smallest to largest, and then I will, after clicking the smallest, I'm clicking here now, sort smallest to largest, and then you can see that the all things are sorted from smallest to largest. So now I am clicking here, I am clicking like short, largest to smallest. I'm clicking, then it has been largest to smallest, changed to largest to smallest. So by this way you can sort your datas.